Uh, Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about what are molecules. Friends, we know that atom is the smallest unit, and atom is the smallest unit or fundamental unit of one particle. Which what atom is the what is atom? Atom is the fundamental unit which cannot exist itself in free. So what happens? Atoms combine, they forms molecules or compounds. So one of them is molecules. So what are molecules? When two or more atoms, matlab a group of atoms combine, chemically combined with a strong force of attraction, which is called chemically bonded or chemical bonds, they form molecules. Okay, when more than two or more atoms of the same element or different elements combine with a strong force of attraction called by chemical bond, what we can say, otherwise the chemical bonds, then they form what molecules. So molecules are actually two types. If they are atoms of the same elements, then they form what the molecules of element. If they are atoms of different elements, then they form molecules of compound. Let us see. Atom is the atom is the fundamental unit of an element. Okay, it can't exist itself, it can't exist independently. So what happens? It combines to form molecules, or we can say what, compounds. Then they combine. Then what are the molecules? Two or more atoms of same or different elements combine in a fixed proportion by mass with a strong force of attraction with chemical bonds. We can say with chemical bonds are called molecules. Okay, are called molecules. Example, we can say when two or more atoms or group of atoms, we can say group of atoms combine same or different elements, combine in fixed proportion by mass with chemical bonds, they form what? Molecules. So atoms combine forming molecules. Atom plus atom, if they are combining by chemically, then they form what? Molecules. Okay, friends. So you can say examples of molecules are, just you can say molecules of hydrogen, H2 is a molecule, O2 is another molecule. So we can say, okay, carbon dioxide is a molecule, carbonate is a molecule. So these are the molecules. Okay, friends, let us see some more examples. Let us see the types of molecules. So molecules, as I have discussed, molecules are of two types. What molecules are two types? Molecules of elements and molecules of compounds. Molecules of elements, molecules of compounds. Okay, friends, example we can say what are H2, O2, O3. These are what? Molecules of element, because they are atoms of the same elements. atoms of the same element. Here we can say example as for carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate, we can say sulfate. But you see here different elements are combined, atoms of different elements combined with each other with strong force of attraction, which is called chemical by chemical bonds forming molecules, and that molecules are also known as compounds. So that's why these are called what? Molecules of a compound. Let us see what are the number one. We will discuss molecules of an element. So molecules of elements means molecules of the atoms of the same element combined with each other forming what? Molecules called molecules of elements. Atoms of the same elements, same element combine chemically forming molecules, which are called molecules of elements. As I have told, examples of what? Hydrogen, oxygen molecules, ozone molecule, we can see next it is. So these are the molecules of elements. Now see, let us see what are the molecules of compounds. Molecules of compounds. In this compounds, what atoms of different elements, they combine chemically forming a compound which is called molecule, and that molecule known as molecule of compounds. Atoms of different elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio, fixed proportion by mass, forming molecules of a compound. Molecules of compound. Atoms of different elements combine chemically in a fixed proportion forming what? Molecules of compounds. So see example, you can say what? As we have told, calcium carbonate, sulfate, and we can say also what? MgOH. So you see here different type of elements in this calcium carbonate. You see a calcium atom is there, carbon is there, oxygen is there, here sulfur is there, oxygen is here, magnesium, oxygen, hydrogen. So different elements combine with a chemically or with a fixed ratio, the molecules combine chemically, different elements in a fixed proportion forming molecules, which is called what? Molecules of compounds. Okay friends, these are the examples.